Okay, so we've got basically a deckhand jig rod here, and so we'll put it on that. Sometimes it's easier to lay the rod down and then start the installation from there. We'll get it started on one of them. Get it started on the other one. Get it squared up with the eyes. We're all good there. Now you notice there's no chasing the screwdriver around. Nut driver, everything's positive stop, positive engagement, and we're ready to catch 100-pound tuna.